Class A chopper. So elaborately, let's understand what is class A chopper, what is its circuit diagram, what is output waveform. And this is the chopper. This is the chopper. This is diode, freewheeling diode, and this is the load, resistance and inductor. This is RL load, and this is the supply voltage. So this is chopper. This is freewheeling diode, resistance, inductance. This is supply voltage. So when switch is on, so for the positive half cycle, when that triggering pulse is given to this chopper, gate pulse is given to the chopper or this thyristor, for the positive cycle, so this will be in forward bias, then the current will flow through the load, that I0, this current will flow through the load. Class A chopper operates in first quadrant in VI plane. So both voltage and currents are positive. So this operates in first quadrants where voltage is positive, current also positive. So power always flow from source to load. So the chopper switch turns on and off rapidly. So during the on time, during on time, load is directly connected to supply. So loads receives Vs directly, that's supply voltage directly. Now during the off, the load current freewheels through the diode. This load current freewheels through the diode, and currents remain positive. So the average output voltage, we can write V out is equal to D into Vs. So that means where D is equal to T on by T. So that is the D is the duty cycle. So this is duty cycle. So the output voltage is controlled by varying the duty cycle. So let's see the output waveform. This output voltage, output current, and this is the gate pulse. So for the positive half, that gate pulse is given to the thyristor. So at that time, that output voltage will be, so we'll get the output voltage. For the negative cycle, output voltage will be 0. Again, that gate pulse is given to the thyristor. So in that case, we'll get the output voltage. Now we'll see what happened to the output current. So for the positive, so this will be, current will increase slowly as we have connected one inductive load. So we know that the property of that inductor, when it opposes the sudden change in the current, so that's why current will increase so slowly for the positive half, and for the negative half it is again discharged slowly. So these will be the output waveform for the current and voltages for the class A chopper, and this is also called a step down chopper. This type of chopper widely used in DC motor drives, then traction system, and battery operated vehicles. So these are the application of class A chopper. In the next lecture, we'll see the detailed operation about that class B chopper. Thank you.